Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you what will replace TikTok. First is Instagram Reels. So they are built right into Instagram, and they have powerful editing, music tools, and access to 2 billion monthly users. Next, there is YouTube Shorts. So also this is vertical clips up to 3 minutes. And also there is Red Note. This is Chinese lifestyle video application that suddenly dominated App Store charts in mid-January 2025 when TikTok has faced a short ban. So that were the 3 main applications that can replace TikTok. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.